Hey everyone, today is extra special because we are celebrating 3 birthdays with a fabulous Barbie theme party in this 2-part series. Join us first as we prepare all the delicious food and set up the decorations. Then as we enjoy the party with our family and friends. So let's get started. So we're going to get cooking now, guys. So let me show you everything we have laid out and prepare. So what we cooking today, Karishma?
Fried rice, pot roast chicken,
Fried roast
dal
chicken.
curry,
Yeah.
and we're doing baked macaroni, lasagna,
And a pizza, right? Okay, yeah. See here, guys, we have a packed menu today. We have lots of things to cook and bake, so let's get going, guys.
And also we're making sauce.
What kind of sauce you making?
Chicken foot sauce.
Have you ever made chicken foot sauce
No.
before? No, so we're gonna try chicken foot
try
sauce
it.
today. So guys, he never made chicken foot sauce before, so we're gonna try it. Hope it come out good. Hey, look, today is her birthday. Look, it's little Miss Barbie birthday today, right?
Say hi.
Say hi. And today also is Grandma and Auntie birthday, right? Right, Mama? Yeah. So we have everything here, guys, to go and chunk the duck curry now. Let's get cooking. Sa?
Yeah.
Ada kenal sulit lah. This is duck curry already smell nice, right? That foot look like a white cold foot. What you like? Oh, and it's got a nice perfect color. The color looks good too. Oh, patola? Should I bring patola for Dada? You want to cook, Mama? You want to help Dada cook? Yeah, I hope when your time reach to cook, you're going to like cook. But nowadays, young girls don't like cook. You better learn. She look worried and she look at me. She must say, what Grandma saying there? You have to learn to cook, Mama. And be a very good cook. Potato salad. We're going to make the potato salad, okay? While the fried rice is getting going there, look. The boss man is doing the fried rice. It's really fast.
Watch out for spread the onion one. Ano tayo ha? Ikaw hindi ako mixing here. After this now you have to fry it up.
So the guys getting the chicken foot sauce ready. I hope you guys know what you're doing. You got to make too much of salt. Unfortunately, the sauce, guys. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going and fry up the foot a little first before we pressure it and mix up the sauce. We don't know. I think that's how easy to do it.
Fry it first, and then you take it out, and then add all the ingredients inside.
Okay, good. So follow us along in this procedure. Let's see how this chicken foot sauce comes out.
Yeah. First time.
First time.
Alright, throw in the cooking oil.
Throw in it.
couple minutes. And then you add a little water and then you pressure it. So it's soft and tender.
So in the meantime, you doing this house, guys, I get in my potato salad ready. Look. See? Look how nice and delicious this thing looks. Look, all of us will get drunk today just by throwing beer in this duck curry. Look if I drink rum, forget drunk. I get drunk by eating this curry alone. Spoon. Yeah, you just got four and the rest of the thing them for you. Forget the stove more big, forget the fire more big. You don't have to turn the corner. Yeah. So, I will just go throw the chicken inside just, alright? I'm not frying on ginger nothing. No. Aisle? No, you use it, you lose your own aisle. Okay. Okay. And the fat, I lose your own aisle.
Yeah, when you get them done, dry out then throw it behind. That's it, good.
It's enough chicken. This smell good, this look good.
No,
This up plain. But when you cook, you string.
String down here.
At least everybody can get to eat and then.
Yeah, do more fried rice.
Should I really stick pot coffee? Did you fetch it? Thank you, Mama. Guys, this sauce finished. Look at it. Oh, it looks good. Look how delicious this chicken foot sauce. Look, we got taste it like this container. I'm gonna hold this thing by like have a misjudge. Yeah, they can throw. Throw right up the green. Throw them. That is.
Uncle, I can do some.
Taste some first. Taste what taste first. Have you full them too much?
I guess.
Should I get some bigger container? Taste time now. Now it's taste test. Let's see how this first time sauce tastes. And we can hang down there. We can hang down your mouth. Pull out the string. I'll take the string. On it? Taste it?
Tastes good, but you get cold and soak.
Oh, okay. Anybody else want taste?
You get cold and you get
I think me want taste before this thing pass.
That's so good.
more salt.
You want more salt like?
Let's put a little more salt.
Me, you know, put more salt?
Let's put a little more salt.
Yeah, good. Safe.
Yeah.
Safe, it's alright. Oh, this roti cook, this one cook first. You see this one brown? You want this one? Or bring your plate. Okay, me put them here for you. You like them? The brown one? Yeah. This is the first set. Thank you. Done it?
No one.
More roti? I'm 100 roti this.
50.
Let's see, yeah, more than 50. So our chicken is almost finished now, guys. This is the last thing. No, we still got the lasagna and the macaroni to bake. But look how delicious this chicken is. I want to show you guys. Our final food, guys, the fried rice. It's enough. And look at the chef. Look at the food. Fried rice chef. You got to throw that celery and shallot on top, or?
Yes.
Or that okay?
Bring the celery and shallot. You got
I
it?
didn't look freezer.
Yeah. Bring it.
Just garnish. Garnish on top. So while the food is being cooked, guys, the decoration has begun for the party. Look at the decorator. What you want to do? You want to say something for your party? What you want to say?
This.
So the theme for the birthday today, it's Barbie. We are doing a Barbie theme today, guys. Look. And this is our little Barbie doll, whose birthday we are celebrating today. See how pretty she is?
Mommy, Daddy, Daddy.
Getting the decorations going, guys.
With this.
Progress update. Ah, look at our little helpers.
How about this one? You don't make it? You don't make it up? Woo. Yeah? Okay.
We're pizza dough and the cheese for the baked macaroni. So we're almost finished, guys. Not finished just yet. And look the sexy that is putting it together. Let me see what Michelle is doing. Oh, Michelle is doing the lasagna. And chicken for the lasagna. Oh, me bring one little canary for frying. What is little canary? Look who is here!
They're coming.
The cutie is here for the birthday! Hello, Nick! Yeah, here's the birthday. So the guests are starting to arrive now, guys.
Hello, you don't dress up for boy.
Our first guest is this little cutie pie.
Short, man.
Give Grandma a kissy. Come give Grandma a kissy.
Where you bite?
Give some kissy.
Go.
Yay, you like that? Oh, Grandpa get the huggy. Look up, try. I want to give Grandpa a huggy
You want to
too.
give Grandpa a hug?
Yay.
I don't hear you say boys.
She excited Nick come now. Let's see how. Oh, the arch is almost finished.
Oh, look how pretty.
Guys, the arch is almost finished. And decoration is coming along, guys.
Nick.
And we are setting up the games for the kids too.
You take out the file, sir. Ben, take that for.
Hello, baby. Look how he is cute, so. He could to Granton, so. Like you forget to spell.
You put SIL.
So, number 2 left. What else have we not put? So guys, we're trying to get the prices then for the game together now. So these are the prices.
Number 1 biscuit. Right?
Okay, so we're getting the games, the spin wheel games together now, guys. Yeah, but try again on the one.
Now we pay.
We forget it, but try again.
Nice game.
Dice game prices, your name that one. So we got 3 games. We got the one where you choose one cup and your money. Just then you spin the wheel and then throw your dice. So guys, we're trying to get this game together now. So we're trying to figure out how much money for each number. So I think let's do the bullseye for 1,000, the blue for 500, and the yellow for 100, and let's do the 10 for $20. Get it right up. For the kids, we're supposed to use wrapper paper. Look at the paper.
We'll see what it is.
Okay, then we get to see good day. Oh, look how nice Michelle. So we got like the opener. When you're eye big or so. Yeah, it's finished compiled together, guys. This is how it looks. I'll show you how it looks after it comes out of the oven. So Michelle is putting the pizza together now. Final pizza look before going in the oven, guys. When it come out, I'll show you. And our guests are starting to arrive, guys. Oh, open the gate! Ang froggy thing. Kom hier nog even hug. Kom hier even hug. Kies them people. Hello. Oh, blow. Oh, look Barbie. Everybody got equality.
We're pink on the
Oh my god. Look how big he gets. And he's so cute.
You got lipstick. Which one got right?
Auntie Amrita got lipstick.
You got lipstick. Watch.
So big you know.
Look how big my lip is.
You reach Nanny? You reach Nanny, Mama? Yes, Mama. Shaya hungry? Shaya go eat. A few more touches and we're all set. Everything looks amazing and ready for the party. So we have finished decorating, guys. Look how beautiful the party venue looks. And this is one of the kids' corner, guys. The kids. Also, this is another one. And this is another game we have here. This is the spin wheel with the prizes. And these are the prizes. Look how beautiful this cake is, guys. So take a look at the food we've cooked, guys. I'll show you, give you a look at that. Our sauce, our chicken foot sauce. See what we have here. And this is the fried rice. Hot roast chicken. More fried rice. Duck. A curry. Dal curry. Nice. And then this is the mini bar for the guys. The final pan is out of the oven now. That's it for our cooking and decorating, guys. Stay tuned for part 2 where we will welcome our guests and enjoy the party. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.